Hello, and welcome back to another Uni-edit video. My name is Antony P, and today we're going to talk about useful Microsoft Word keyboard shortcuts for research writers. If you enjoy the content, please hit like and subscribe, and now let's get started. This is called your cursor, and we're going to take it in the middle of the paragraph and press CTRL+UP ARROW. That moves your cursor to the beginning of the paragraph. Similarly, you can put the cursor in the middle and press CTRL+DOWN to move to the beginning of the next paragraph. Back to the middle. CTRL+RIGHT ARROW moves to the beginning of the next word. This is useful for scrolling around text. And CTRL+LEFT ARROW moves to the beginning of the previous word. These are all useful for moving your cursor around a text and is especially useful when editing. Okay, let's move on. Put your cursor back in the middle and press Ctrl+A. That will highlight all of your text. If you make a selection like I've done here and you press Ctrl+X, it cuts all of your text. Pressing Ctrl+V will paste that text. Highlighting text and Ctrl+C only copies the text. To change some of the styles, we can highlight some text and press Ctrl+B for bold, Ctrl+U for underline, and Ctrl+I for italicizing. To select words to the right of your cursor, press Ctrl+Shift+Right arrow. To select words to the left of your cursor, Ctrl+Shift+Left arrow. To select all text in a paragraph before your cursor, press Ctrl+Shift+Up arrow. And to select all text in a paragraph below your cursor, press Ctrl+Shift+Down arrow. If you follow my cursor at the bottom, double-clicking on a word will highlight that word. Triple-clicking on a word will highlight that paragraph. I personally use this one all of the time. If you're having trouble reading your text, you can use Control plus your scroll wheel up and down to move in and out of the page. To align your document to the left side of the screen, you can press Windows left arrow and it will snap it into place. You can also do that for the right side of your screen. Similarly, you can take your window and drag it to the left or drag it to the top. You can also drag it to a corner window or a bottom corner. This is extremely useful if you have many documents on your screen. To clear all windows, you can take your cursor to the bottom right corner of your screen and click. It will clear all of your windows off your screen so you have easy access to your desktop. Clicking back on the bottom right will bring back all of your previous windows. All right, here's a recap of all of the highlights that we referenced in this video. And thanks for listening. Do you have any shortcuts that you use often that we missed? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this content, please hit like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Bye!